Hello students, in this lecture I am going to discuss how to find total number of squares in any square grid or rectangular grid, right? So first I am taking 1 by 1 unit square grid, right? And total number of squares in this grid equal to how much here? 1 only. It is a 1 by 1 unit square grid, na? Total number of squares will get it like a 1 only, right? And I am taking 2 by 2 square grid here, right? It is a 2 by 2 square grid only. And total number of squares we need to calculate. First I can discuss normal method of counting, right? So here find total number of 1 by 1 unit size squares, right? 1 by 1 size squares we want here. In one row how many 1 by 1 unit squares are there, we can check it once, right? In first row how many 1 by 1 unit squares are there here? It is 1 by 1 unit square. It is one more 1 by 1 unit squares. Two squares are there in one row, right? How many 1 unit size rows are there here? This is a 1 unit size row, right? This is a 1 unit size row, and it is also one more 1 unit size row. Two rows are there. Into 2 will write it, right? So now total number of 1 by 1 size squares equal to how much? So 2 squares we can get, and 2 by 2 size squares we want here, right? So 2 by 2 size squares we want here, and in one row how many 2 by 2 size squares are there? 2 unit size square, na, this one, right? How many 2 unit rows are there? One only there here, and here 2 by 2 size squares in one row, 1. 2 by 2 size rows how many are there? 1 are there, right? And total number of squares equal to how much? By calculating total number of squares means all different sizes, right? So 2 square plus 1 square we got, and totally it is giving me 5 on, right? And here also same thing. And total number of squares how much here? In 2 by 2 square grid we got 2 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but sum of squares of first two natural numbers, right? Now I'm getting here 5, and use same technique here also once. Now I want here total number of squares, right? How many total number of squares are there in this grid? I want to calculate it here. We can use the formula directly, right? 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square will get, which is nothing but what, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14 we can get. We can count normally also. This is a technique, right? Finally, right? And total number of squares in that grid equal to how much, n by n grid also we can write directly. Therefore I'm giving a formula here. I'm giving a formula. Total number of squares in total number of squares, right? Total number of squares in n by n size grid, right? Squares in n by n size square grid. Square grid equal to how much here, which is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square, right? And so on plus n square. So first I'm calculating total number of squares of 1 by 1 unit size squares, na. N square will get. After that base is decreasing 1 continuously till 1, right? This value is nothing but what, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 we can get it, right? Total number of squares in n by n size grid equal to how much here? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula, right? And this is not a square grid, it is a rectangular grid, but each smaller unit is what, square on, right? And total number of squares in this size grid equal to how much, how many rows are there? 3 rows are there here. How many columns are there here? 4 columns are there, no? It is a 3 by 4 rectangular grid on, right? Total number of squares I want here. First I want 1 by 1 unit size squares, no? 1 by 1 unit size squares I want here. So how many 1 unit size squares are there in one row? We can check it. So 4 squares are there in one row. How many 1 by 1 unit size rows are there? We can check it, right? So 1 unit squares, how many are there in one row? We can check it. How many are there? 4 are there, right? 4 squares are there in one row. How many 1 unit rows are there here? So 3 rows are there, na, here 3 rows are there. What will get? This is nothing but what, total number of 1 by 1 unit size squares equal to how much? 3 into 4 will get it, right? And 2 by 2 size squares I want here. 2 by 2 size squares I want. and see here also check it once, right? 2 by 2 unit size squares I want, right? In one row, how many 2 unit rows 2 unit squares are there? We can check it. One, it is 1 2 unit square, and it is also 1 2 will get, and here one more thing, 3 will get it, na? So 3 2 by 2 unit squares are there here. And how many 2 unit rows are there? We can check it. It is 1 2 unit row, and it is one more 2 unit row, na, here. And totally how much we got, ma, here? Into 2, na? So 2 into 3 we can get by observing normally. First I am finding 1 by 1 unit size squares. After that I am decreasing base continuously 1 1, right? And 3 by 3 size unit squares, how many are there? We want 3 by 3 size unit squares only. And here also same thing. In one row, how many 3 unit squares are there? We can check it. 3 unit squares, right? It is 1 3 unit squares only, and it is one more 3 unit square, not 2 are there in one row. How many 3 unit rows are there, right? 3 unit size rows are there. We can check it. Only one is there, so that I'm getting 2 into 1. We can get it as a 2, right? And how many 4 by 4 unit squares are there? We can size equal to how much, ma? 4 by 4 size square grid I want here. This value will become 0. Blindly speaking, find total number of 1 by 1 unit size squares. After that, decrease base continuously by 1 1, right? You will get this result on, right? Directly. And totally how much, ma, this one? So 3 4 are 12 here, and 2 3 are 6, plus 1 2 are 2 here, and remaining part is 0. And 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 2 equal to how much? Will get 20 on. And total number of squares, how much, ma? In this grid we are getting it as 20 on, right? So alternately same question we can solve differently. This is a 3 by 3 square grid, and one column, extra column we added here, right? One column we added, right? One column we added here. And total number of squares in 3 by 3 square grid equal to how much, ma? Here we'll get 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square will get. This is thing, right? This is completed. And now I'm calculating here total number of, by adding this additional column, how many squares will get extra. We'll check it once. And in one column, that column, how many squares are there? 1 unit squares are there? We can check it here. So in that particular column, here 1 2 3, na? 3 squares we added here, we'll get 3, right? Plus 3 will add it. Next one, so can you make by using this particular thing? 2 by 2 squares we can make it by using this additional column. So here it is a 1 2 by 2 square, and here one more thing, one more 2 by 2 square we can get here, na? So 3 plus 2 we can get here, plus 3 by 3 squares, how many we can make it by using this additional column? We can check it, right? So 1 we can get, na, here. So 1 on, right? This value how much, ma? Here 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but sum of first 3 natural numbers, right? And here its value how much, ma? Here 14, and this value equal to how much? 6, na? 14 plus 6 will get 20 on, right? And here I want total number of squares in this grid, right? This how many rows are there, ma? Here 3 rows are there, but how many columns are there here? 5 columns are there, na? It is 3 by 5 a rectangular grid only, but each smaller unit is a square, right? And total number of squares in this grid I want here, total number of squares, right? I can go with the blind technique. Starting method is there, na? That we can use it, right? How many 1 by 1 unit squares will get? 3 into 5. After that, decrease base 1 1 continuously, right? And here we'll get 2 into 4. Next one 1 into 3 will get. Next one 0 into 2 on, right? And total number of squares equal to how much? 3 5 are 15 here, and 2 4 are 8, and 3 1s are 3 here. It is a 0 on, right? So add them. 15 plus 8 will get 23, plus 3 will get a 26. So it is one method of solvation. I am finding 1 by 1 unit size squares. After that I am decreasing bases continuously in that multiplication. Alternately, we'll see that how many maximum square grid we can make it here. 3 by 3 size square grid I can make it. And total number of squares in this grid equal to how much, ma? We'll get 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square will get. By using this additional one column, how many columns we added here? So it is the first column, na? So this is one column, it is one more column, right? Two columns are added here. In each column how many squares are there, we can check it, right? In each column, so 3 squares are there na here. By using these squares, these 3 squares, how many total number of squares we can make it by attaching with the previous grid here, we can check it, right? So 3 plus 2 plus 1 additional squares we can get additionally. Like that, how many columns are there? 2 columns are there na. We'll make it in this way also, right? This value how much? 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 6 or 2 are 12. This will give you what here 26 one. Total number of squares in this grid also here. First I am taking lower 1 2 by 2 square grid I am taking here, and total number of squares in this grid equal to how much here? We'll get 2 square plus 1 square here, the total number of squares, right? And upper square I am taking here, and here also total number of squares equal to how much 2 square plus 1 square will get, and 1 square is a common in both, I can subtract that one, right? So total number of squares equal to how much here? We'll get 5 plus 5 minus 1, which is equal to how much 10 minus 1, will get 9 squares one, right? Also see that, right? So what the maximum size square grid is there, we can check it once. The 2 by 2 square grid on. First I am taking 2 by 2 square grids only. How many 2 by 2 square grids are there, we can count it once, right? How many are there? 1 2 individually we are checking here. 1 2 3 4 5 na. 5 are there na here. Total number of squares in this grid I want. So 5 square grids are there. One is attaching with the previous partner, like that. Now like that, in each square, each 2 by 2 square grids case, total number of squares how much 2 square plus 1 square we can get it. This is one thing, right? Now by joining this 2 by 2 square grids, how many additional squares we can get it, we can check it here. Because of this attachment, it is a one additional unit square na here. We'll get it like that, right? We can mark with the different colors also to get clarity, right? So this is the one additional square grid on, right? This one. So like this, how many will form, we'll check it, right? So here also we'll get one additional square grid here. So we got 2, and here also it is also additional square only, we'll get 3, and here it is additional square here, we'll get 4 on, right? So 4 squares we got here additionally, and totally how much 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 4 will get 29 squares we'll get in total, right? We can find total number of squares in this fashion, right? Maximum size square grid here we can check it once, right? And 5 square grids are there here. Its value how much here? 1 2 3 4 5 na. So 5 square grids are there. In each 2 by 2 square grids case, total number of squares how much will get 2 square plus 1 square on, right? Because of this attachment, how many new squares will form here, we can check it once, right? It is one new square here, 1, and it is also one new square will get 2. So this is one new square here, it is a 3, and it is one more new square will get 4 on, right? And here also we are getting new squares this much, right? And totally how much 5 into 5 plus 4, how much will get 25 plus 4 will get 29, right? And total number of squares in this grid equal to how much here? 29 will get. And see one more example. 8 rows are there, columns also what here? 8 are there, right? It is a 8 by 8 square grid. 8 by 8 square grid down. Square grid down, right? And here also same thing. It is square grid only. Total number of squares family we know directly, right? So total number of squares in this grid equal to how much? Total number of squares in 8 by 8 square grid, right? Total number of squares in 8 by 8 square grid, right? 8 by 8 square grid, right? We'll check it once, right? It is nothing but sum of squares of first 8 natural numbers, no? 1 square plus a 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 8 square we'll write. What is the family here? We know family n into 8 into n plus 1, 8 plus 1 9 into 2n plus 1, 2 into 8 16 plus 1 17 divided by 6. This family we are using here, and sigma n square family is what? No? Sum of squares of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into, so 2n plus 1 upon 6 family we are using. Here n is a 8 on, right? Just simplify it, we'll get the result on, right? With a 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, with a 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8 only, and totally how much you'll get? 12 into 17 only. So 17 10 70 plus 34 will get a 204, we can get it, right? So this is the result for total number of squares in 8 by 8 square grid, and it is called chessboard on, right? In chessboard, right? In chessboard, and total number of squares equal to how much? I'm getting 204 on, right? So we can calculate this type of things